Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Google Sheets. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to show you two different ways how to do it. Here's the first one. Click on Extensions. Next, go to Add-ons, and we're going to Get Add-on. I'm going to search QR Code Generator. Personally, I haven't tried any of these, but the only thing I know is they are going to get access to your Google account, so make sure you read those terms and conditions. The second way to do it is super easy. You just copy your URL. I'm going to paste it here, like this. Then I'm going to use this code. No worries, I'm going to leave this code in the description below. Then you go to another column, and you're just going to simply paste it. Also, make sure this one is your right column, and you can see it created a QR code. If I make it big, you can see it is right here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a QR code in Google Sheets. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.